How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to tell you about a stock today that Ark Invest has been buying. They bought about $72 million worth in the first 2 days. It's a new company for their ETFs. Now, if you don't know about Ark Invest, they're one of the best mutual fund and ETF companies out there right now. They want to invest in innovative, disruptive companies that have high growth potential, maybe aren't earning some of the best revenues or earning some of the best net incomes out there, but are growing quickly in growing industries. And they've been able to return a lot of money to their investors this year, with several funds being up over 100% and several funds being up even more than that from the depths of the pandemic. They start buying a lot of a company, people notice. Now, I take a look at them almost every single day to see what they're buying. And again, this company is new to them, and it's been moving up massively over the last 5 years. You can see here that just over the last 2 days, they bought 141,000 shares the first day, and then they bought another 112,000 shares the next day. They added 40 million and then another 32 million. So I'm going to get into this company, tell you where it's been, what it does, where it's going. And before we get to that, if you guys don't mind hitting the like, I really appreciate that. I am filming this close to midnight my time, Christmas Eve. So I'm just going to wish you a Merry Christmas Eve. I think this is going to go up tomorrow. But if you guys want to help out the channel, please hit the like button. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already hit subscribe. We're growing like crazy. I'd love to be able to hit 60,000 by the end of the year. So definitely help out if you can. Also, if you want 4 free stocks through WeBull, they're running this through the end of the month. If you deposit $100, you can get 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700 between the 4 of them. Also, you can refer someone else after that point, and then they can get some free stocks too, and then you can get some free stocks too. So definitely check that out down below. Also, I just started working with BlockFi. They pay up to 8.6% APY on some of your money and on some of your stablecoin and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So definitely check that out down below. I've been running deposits every day there just to get that extra interest, and you can actually see it accrue every single day. So definitely check that out. And last thing, if you want to know exactly what I'm buying and what I'm selling, we've been buying a lot of stock recently. You can check out the link down below to Patreon. So thank you so much, and let's get into it. So like I said, they've been buying a lot of this company. It's VEEV. This company has moved up a lot. So this is the 5-year chart. Just over the last 5 years, the company is up 888%. If we go from kind of their bottom here, they're up almost 1,200%. And over the last, even just the last year, they've been up a lot too, with them going up about 101% and even more than that since the bottom. And the thing is, this company is in a growing industry, and it's in an industry that helps an industry that's very important right now. So they are an American cloud computing company focused on pharmaceutical and life science industry applications, headquartered in California. So they are a software company, software as a service company in the global life science industry. Now, I think their CEO and founder does a very good job of explaining the company. This is from a couple years ago, so keep that in mind, but I'll just play the YouTube video here.
History of Veeva, so basics, 10 years old, about 1,700 people. We're building the industry cloud for life sciences. So our customers are people like Pfizer and Novartis, et cetera, that are making medicine to help improve life. And we provide a variety of cloud solutions for them. So in a nutshell, what we say is we're building the industry cloud for life sciences. So we want to be essential and appreciated to every CEO in the life sciences industry and help them be more efficient and effective. Because what they're trying to do is bring better medicine to people, and we want to help them do that.
I think I could not have explained it better myself. Obviously, from the founder and CEO, he does a very eloquent job of stating what they're doing. I want to show you what they've done, because right now, obviously, they're in a very important industry with the whole pharmaceutical boom this year from the pandemic, with all these different companies trying to test, trying to connect different people. Really, what they're doing here is they're trying to connect pharmaceutical sales reps and researchers and drug companies with doctors. They're trying to integrate that all, trying to provide a great platform, a cloud platform for all of them to get information as quickly as possible, as efficiently as possible, trying to also help with different mergers. So whenever a pharmaceutical company or some other type of company in this space merges or acquires another company, they need that data quickly, and they are able to help them with that. So getting to their investor presentation, let's take a look at their revenue. So in fiscal year 15, they were earning revenue of about 313 million. Since then, they've been increasing every single year. You can see it's somewhere around 20 to 30% a year that they're increasing. And you can also see their non-GAAP operating income increasing too. Now they're expecting about $1.4 billion next year. Now you can kind of see what their goals were. In 2015, they wanted a $1 billion revenue run rate, and they actually hit that this year. So they hit $1.1 billion in revenue. You can see what they want for 2025. They want to be able to hit $3 billion in revenue, $1 billion from their cloud or their commercial cloud, and then $2 billion from their Vault. So their Vault is a true cloud enterprise content management platform and suite of applications specifically built for life sciences. Now they're saying that basically what they're able to do, they're able to be the only content management platform with the unique capability to manage both content and data. So I'll be honest, I don't have a huge background in this, but they want that to be a major part of their business. They also showed their addressable market and how much it's increased. So in 2007, their total addressable market was just 500 million. In 2013, it increased to about 5 billion. Now it's about 12 billion, and it's just growing from here. They're able to actually get a large part of this because, again, they say the total addressable market is 12 billion, and they have about a billion, 1.1 billion in revenue this year. So they're getting a good portion of this. You can also see how they're able to increase their Vault adoption. So the average Vault products per Vault customer, again, I don't know exactly what this is composed of, but you can see that the number of products that their customers are getting is going up. So 2.41 products or Vault products per customer, and they have more and more customers every single year too that use these. And it's just a reoccurring revenue for them. The cloud software as a service is just a reoccurring revenue stream that I really like. As just an investor, I like that reoccurring revenue. They don't always have to go after new clients. Of course, you want to be able to increase your client base, but then you're also able to increase your revenue over time with each client. Right now, with what I told you, I hope you're not investing in it, right? You shouldn't just be buying because I'm talking about it. You should be doing more research on top of this, but you should definitely be looking at more than just what I'm saying here. This is a jumping off point for you. You can see that Ark Invest does like this company. You can see that they're buying a good amount. 7 out of, it looks like about 20 analysts are saying to buy, 7 are saying to hold, and 6 are saying to strong buy. The company is up a lot recently. I think it's definitely one to put on your radar or do more research on. Again, there's actually a lot of information out on this company because it's been around a long time. It has a pretty long span. It's not like one of these one-year companies or one of these new SPACs that doesn't have much info on it. They've been able to increase profits over a very long time. It's only going to be more and more relevant over time. So definitely take a look at this company. I'll definitely keep it on my radar as Ark Invest buys more of this company. But I think you should do some more research on it if you're looking at this and thinking it looks interesting at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, definitely hit the like button. Definitely hit subscribe if you don't mind. That really helps out the channel. If you want to see exactly what I'm buying and what I'm selling, you can check out the link down below to Patreon. Thank you for checking out WeBull or BlockFi. Both of those I really like and use personally a lot. And again, if you want to see another video that I did just yesterday on a stock that I think is really interesting, you should definitely check out this video here. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.